guys, my name is Dorinda and I'm here at the CrystaLac Company, and today I'm going to show you how to use our clear wood grain filler and how easy it is to use. So the only tools you're going to need is the grain filler, an old rag, a good foam brush, and a squeegee. And I got this at Walmart for just a little over $2. So I'm going to do this old table and show you how to refinish it. So here's the first project that I'm going to work on. It's just an old coffee table. As you can see, it's got a lot of wood grain in it. So I am going to first sand it down and then come back and we're going to work on finishing it. I just took my little Ryobi orbital sander and I just scuff sanded the surface of the table. And now I'm going to take an air compressor and blow off all the dust and go from there. Now I've sanded the table down, I've just scuff sanded it, and I took the air compressor and I blew off all the sanding dust. So you can see I didn't do a great job of sanding it. I'm just going to paint it white when I'm done, so I'm not worried about the color on it right now. But you can clean it with an air compressor and get all the sanding dust off, or you can use a vacuum. Just make sure you get off all the dust, otherwise you'll have trouble with anything sticking to it. Okay, now for the fun part. There's several different ways you can put the wood grain filler on, whatever's easiest for you. I'm going to take a foam brush and show you. You can just brush it on. The idea is to get the grain filler in the pores, so just put on a thin layer. It doesn't have to be thick. You can do this over your whole project. The other way to apply it is to get a lint-free rag and just push it into the pores. Get it all over the total surface. And then the next step, if you want to have fun, is just put some on the table and rub it in. Pretty simple to do. Get it all over the table, in those pores, and then we'll go to the next step. Okay, I've completely put wood grain filler over the whole table, and I ended up taking a foam brush and smoothing it out so I didn't have a bunch of streaks on it. So anyway, the next step is to take your squeegee and trowel it off. So I'm going to start at one end and just scrape off that wood grain filler. Pretty simple. So now that I've got it troweled off, I'm going to go around the edges and get it off the edges so there's not any clumps on it when it dries. I'm going to let this dry for about an hour, maybe 2 if it's wet outside, and then come back and say I have sanded down the wood grain filler, and I just wanted to show you there's a few little hazy spots left on the table, and that's completely normal. When you end up top coating it, it will go away. So I'm going to take just a wet rag and show you this is what will happen when you put a top coat on it. It will go away and come out clear. So I've sanded it and I've taken the air compressor and cleaned it, and now I'm going to take just a damp rag and wipe the surface and repeat the whole thing. Hey guys, I just finished sanding the second coat of grain filler, and now the table is ready to finish. It is smooth as a baby's butt. So I would suggest using any of our top coats. We have our Super Premium, which is made for furniture. It's got a great hard scratch resistant surface, and if you want something with a little UV in it, you can go with our polyoxide floor finish. If you want something super high build and super glossy, you can use our Bright Tone Instrument finish. If you want to put it outside, you can try our Crab Coat Marine finish. Another suggestion is that when you are cleaning your table after you have got the wood grain filler sanded, just use a damp rag. Don't use any harsh solvents, because those solvents tend to break through the acrylic and break it down, and then you have to start all over again. So just use water. It's that simple. That's the end of this video. The table needs top coating. I'm going to go ahead and put on a decorative finish, so I'll just post a little short clip of when it's all done, but that's how you use the grain filler. Have a great day. Bye.